You guys watch YouTube?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you guys say for the vlog, Sammy? Ooh.
Coming from the next lane.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? As you can tell by the title of this one, we're doing a little family getaway. So, hopping in the rig, going up to my uncle's, my little cousin's birthday. I think he's turning 6. So, just gonna have a good time up there and do some wakeboarding, do some jet skiing and stuff, whatnot. So, we're gonna hop in the rig and go. Okay, so we just arrived here at my uncle's house. It's 11:30 right now, and yeah, we're pretty tired, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of editing from my last vlog and just get to bed soon. Just get up tomorrow, do some fun stuff. I actually have to get a battery because at the moment it is blinking on red, and I didn't bring my other lens or my other bag or anything with me. So batteries, charger, no good. So we're gonna try to hit a Best Buy or Walmart tomorrow morning and do that. Jet skis a bit, so we're on GoPro Hero 4 right now. I'm not vlogging right now, camera battery's a little bit dead, but yeah, so we're gonna rip some skis out here. It's fun, and yeah, gonna get a little bit of footage. Got Uncle Mike in the cut. He's ready to rip the SXR. I'm ripping the Superjet.
We'll sit you on the top.
Big couch, dude.
We got Big Sal, the pro, taking the technique to the water, but this ski's got a little bog, so who knows how it'll be. So we're on. Oh, you need electric.
Oh yeah.
This is yours.
I was like Kyle.
Here we go.
It's been so long since I had a wetsuit on.
Alright, so that's about it for this one, guys. Had a lot of fun today, got some GoPro footage. Definitely good riding out in the ocean, but wish there could have been some bigger waves and we could have got some surf jumping in, but it's all good, had fun. And a lot of cool stuff going on for next week with my buddy Bruno, or sorry, this week coming up. I'm thinking it's wrong. I'm thinking these weeks are getting messed up. A lot of cool stuff going on for this week. My buddy Bruno's coming up with his family. His family's gonna meet mine for the first time, so that'd be cool. And definitely gonna get some mountain biking in with him. A little cycling, road biking, you know, some dirt bike riding, a lot of other cool stuff. So excited for that. So we had a good time out there, it was fun. Sorry I couldn't get a lot of footage from this camera, but we got some GoPro footage. Like I said, this battery is dead, literally about to die the whole weekend. Right now it is on blinking red. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. That's about it for this vlog. So smash that like button and subscribe below. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.